Hello, welcome to Chief Workshop. Visit our website, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and look for the link in the description where you'll find a free mini course in that link, and well worth your while. So let's get started. Okay, we received an assignment just to do a quick room sketch so that some equipment could be put in an x-ray room for a radiologist, and this will demonstrate how to build walls, some quick dimensions, some notes, just a little quick start training for probably some new people. Okay, to keep the drawing on screen in Chief, let's import it as a PDF file. Import, I believe it is a JPEG. No, it is a so we go to the File PDF menu, bring up the PDF from the library, and hit OK. And we want to rotate that. And we can just put it over to one side, and we'll work on the plan on this side with that as our reference. So let's slide this over to here, and we might need to blow it up as needed. Okay, 1813. Let's go build. Wall. Interior. Scoot it across. Scoot it across. Scoot it across. Scoot across. And let's grab that and snap it there. Basic box. Interior dimensions. 13. So bump 13 feet, 18 feet interior dimension. Click, grab the dimension, type in 18 feet. We're getting closer to our box. It's got a little partition wall, half wall in here. Okay. We'll edit that a little later. Build wall, interior wall. Zoop. There's a little something or other. Heal it. He wanted it shoved over to one side, so let's shove it over to this side. We want it to be 6 feet long out to out, so that would be 6 foot 4.5, 6'5", if we keep with our interior dimensions, which are easier to get because we have objects to snap to without having to tinker around too much. So we'll just call this 6'5" for now. Although, no, let's stretch this. He wants that 6 feet from wall to wall. So let's go bonk, grab that, 6 feet. That's where he wants it, his control thingy. Let's grab this dimension, escape. See if we can grab our pointer control, get out of that recurring command. Slide that over there so that'll be our dimension. Yeah, we also want a return dimension. We want to stick a workstation in here, so that should be about 36 inches. So let's grab a line. Let's just draw it where we want it there. Stick it end to end. All right, 2 to 3. Yeah, we want about 30 inches for there. Let's go 30. Okay. Only problem is we don't know. We want this wall to be 12'6", So let's redo this. And not and then interior dimension. Interior, and this is snapping to our studs, but which is fine. Bonk. Grab that wall. Grab this dimension. Hit 12'6". There we go. And we want this guy to be 30 inches. Grab this wall. Slide that guy to there. Yeah, could even be 2 inches. Yeah, whatever. Okay, then we've got some electrical equipment that has to be noted so that they know that that's where we want all the equipment. So just throw some quick CAD boxes in there. We'll just CAD box it. Just CAD box there. A little CAD box there. You know, what the heck? Let's throw in our text while we're at it. Text 220 volts. Phase, single phase. I don't think we have a single phase symbol. And we're just going to keep it all on one line. Or we could, yeah, or we could hit a return key. 60 cycle return key, 25 amps. That's the juice that this machine needs. Click it there. That's the note. Yeah, we can slide it there. Take our arrow. Let's find an arrow. Give me an arrow. Arrow. Point at the object. Oh, I don't like that arrow at all. Let's get a decent arrow in there. Let's edit our arrows. Edit arrows. Edit. Preferences. No, not those. Cancel. Edit. Default. Annotation sets. Yeah. Edit. This is our 1/4 inch annotations. We want to change the arrow. Pencil for the edit key. Style. I want that guy. 5 inches is fine. Let's hit OK. There. Done. Now let's hit the arrow key. Leader line. That's what you want to point it to. Point it to your text. Hit escape. Now we got that guy cooking. Pop in a door. Pop in a door. We want a door. It's defaulting to a 30-inch door is the chief default. Let's pop in a door. Bonk. Bonkers. There's a door. Oh, it's defaulted an exterior door because it's treated that as a house. So drew a threshold on it. So let's change this to, actually a 30-inch door would be good. Let's keep it a 3-foot door would be good. And let's just get the machinery, let's get some machinery in and out easily. So let's keep it 3 foot since it's commercial. And there was a door from the existing room that he modeled this after. That's about it. That's about it. Got the X-ray machine cooking in there. Just for giggles, we'll go to the website, the library, and see what we can find. All right. Log into our chief account, etc., etc. Oh, Christ, I hate that. Okay, we're logged into the library. Let's see, what else can we do here? Let's see what we can find. Specialty, others, miscellaneous. What do we got here? I think we want medical, dental. And download that is available. Add to cart. What the? I think I got this previously for Zippo. Alright, they're going to charge us. Yeah, I don't need it that bad. I can grab it from X9, our previous version. Let's just use some CAD lines. Let's just fake in a little box for the bed. There, a little box for the X-ray doohickey Mickey thingy here, something like that. Another little box for the arm. The arm is there. Little box for the stand. All right, well, come on. And let's say that little thing is yay by yay. We got a little arm. We got a little thing here. Let's tab that. Let's move that over to the center of the bed. Is that where we want the bed? We want the bed about 3 feet. We got 2'6". Let's grab this, the bed box. You know, it's a medical doohickey thingy there. We got it there. That's fine. Let's kind of center it on the arm. Let's kind of center it over the bed. Let's extend that arm. Tab, come on. I don't want about that room. I just want this guy. Tab. There we go. There. And let's make a solid fill so it sits on top. Make that a solid white fill. There. There. Okay. There we got an arm. We got the arm guy. We got that guy. It's close enough. Got that. Now we could just add some little notes. Oh, we got a little window. Pass through. Build. Window. Pass through. Bonk. Or actually interior window. Build. Window. That way it has a glass, which is for the X-ray shielding. Fixed glass. What was the dimension he had here? The window is 2 by 2. So let's go 24, tab 24. And it is 42 inches off the ground to the bottom of the window. And it doesn't have any casing. Yeah, it's got casing. Or no, it does not have casing. And it doesn't have a sill either. So let's get rid of the sill. It's just a little window guy that occurs. Maybe we should have some interior casing. What the heck? That doesn't matter. It's fine. And we'll hit OK. There's our window. And the operator probably wants that window somewhere over here. This is just down and dirty. That's the workstation. And now we want a little note about the wall. So we can copy this, grab this note, Control C, Control V, pop it there, double click to edit, erase this stuff. And we want to say top wall 7 foot 0 dash 0 inches. And let's say with wood cap. Yeah. There we go. Put that note there. Remember our arrow has been defaulted. We go there. Leader line. Point at that guy. Pop it there. Escape. Yeah, we got that there. What else do we need? Oh, he wants to say that it's a 9-foot ceiling. So we go boonk. Text. Boonk. 9-foot ceiling. 9-0 inch space ceiling. 9-foot ceiling. All right. Saying it's a 9-foot ceiling. Oh, it's a lead door. Want a little note that says lead door. Text. Yeah, we didn't copy this time. Lead door. Yeah, let's put it 3 feet. Lead door. 3 foot dash 0 inch lead door. And there. Leader line. Bonk there. I really hate this living area note. If we can just delete that. We got our 18 dimension. Drafting convention. Alright, we'll just keep it there. That's fine. Tab. Grab that dimension if we can. Tab. No room definition to get rid of that. It's always picking the room. What other notes do we want in here? Workstation area. Let's put in a window note. 2x2 window note. And we'll call it a day. Let's see. Text. Out here. 24-inch by 24-inch interior window, 42 inches to bottom of window, or just to bottom. It's fine. Okay. It's all okay. Slide that guy over. Over there. Squeeze that down. Leader line. There. Point at that window. Pop it over. You can hit Control to not have to put it on the angles that it snaps to. And there you have a little quick interior sketch for the X-ray people to set that thing up. All done. Thank you for watching. Remember to visit our website where there's a blog which we will upload all the free tutorials. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, which also will have the tutorials. Look in the description for a free mini course in Chief Architect. Click on that and take advantage of that. And see you next time.